Back to Financial Pro, everyone. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe. Citizens Bank for Business. No hard inquiry when it comes to getting that $25,000 business credit card. So let's jump right into it. I'm looking at their site right now. I'm on the site, and it says with pre-qualified credit card offer, the Citizens Bank pulled the hard inquiry credit check when applying for a pre-approval credit card. Some people say inquiry, I say inquiry. So you know what I'm talking about. If you've been here before, you know I hate saying that word. If you're pre-approved for a credit card with us and choose to accept the offer, this will result in a soft inquiry on your credit report. That's what I'm talking about. Business, baby. When you have business credit, it goes a lot further than personal credit. So I went on there and I put in my information. They do ask for Social Security, but I believe that's only for to verify you. Make sure you are U.S. citizen or whatever the case may be. So, Citizens Bank, what to expect? Experience the speed and simplicity of our Citizens VantageLink online application. Let's see, two to three business days. Choose from business credit cards of up to 25,000, or a line of credit up to $250,000. Small business owners, this is a lifeline for you. They're throwing a lifeline out there. You can call for assistance as well. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is just something I'm sharing for us small business owners. We're looking for business credit card that'll help us out. You need a legal business name, business tax ID, annual sales, annual net profit. This is the information they ask for before you begin. The number is 888-519-5768. So get assistance with all the funding you need. Citizens Bank is the way to go right now. And I know there are more out there. I will do research and start making those videos as well and sharing the links on there so you guys can pull up the correct banking information. And I want to get some more information on this as well. If they have this on their website, which I believe I have to do some other things. Let's see. About Citizens. So this Citizens Financial Group Incorporated is one of the nation's oldest and largest financial institutions with 187 billion in assets as of March 31st, 2021. Their headquarters is in Providence, Rhode Island. Citizens offer a broad range of retail and commercial banking products and service to individuals. Consumer banking. Citizens provides 24/7 customer support, like a lot of other banks as well. But make sure you guys, if you want to, they take two to three business days to come back with a decision. So you can start on Sunday or Monday. Just make sure you wait those 2 to 3 business days. It could come back even further quicker on the email, with approval or what. So, small business, banking rewards. I thought they would have some fact information up here for the business credit card, because I want to give you all the information I can about this. Upgrade to our business platform. The website is really nice. I like it. It's easy to navigate, work around, and you don't find that with a lot of banks websites. They're kind of outdated. But I believe this is more, they're aiming for the millennials right now and small business owners. I'm trying to see if they give us more information. Let's see how to log in the platform, things like that. They have the screenshots of the platform, and I'm video recording on my phone, so I can't do the screenshots of the, unless you guys know what app or anything I can download to screenshot what I'm looking at. That'll be perfect for me when I'm video recording, but I am going to give you the website to this so you guys can go look at this yourself. No hard inquiry. When it comes to Citizens Bank, 25,000 business credit card, make sure you have your ducks in a row. If they ask for proof of how much you're making, you need to make a certain amount every year when it comes to business. And they do ask if you're a publisher, like me, you work in a movie industry, whatever it may be. So you check with them. If you don't want to get your business, your personal credit checked. So this is all the great things on here without affecting your personal credit as far as a hard pull. But make sure your personal credit is up to date, up to par, at least a 640 or better when it comes to some of these loans. 640 or better. Look at the negatives. Make sure I pay attention to my credit report every single day on myfico.com. I pay for the membership because I need to know what's on there. I'm in the process of buying a home, my first home, which is not the last. So that's in more videos to come. But thank you guys for being here. This is Citizens Bank. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just something I came across and I want to share with other business or other entrepreneurs. And let's get it, man. We have to succeed. There is no can't, we must. See you guys next time.